It folded the laundry. It cracked the eggs without breaking a single yolk. It cleared the table, loaded the dishwasher, and wiped the counters clean. And it did every bit of it without one human touching a remote. It is the Tesla Optimus Gen 3. Welcome to Tesla Vault. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. If you've ever stood in your kitchen at the end of a long day, staring at a sink full of dishes that you don't have the energy to face, this is the video that changes how you see that moment. Because in 2026, the robot that does all of it finally arrived. And the way it learned might be the most unsettling part. Let's break it all down. Here's what makes this different from every robot hype video you've scrolled past. These aren't renders, they're dated, filmed, and real. February 2026, Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 cracked a raw egg into a bowl and left the yolk perfectly intact. Think about the control that takes. Too much force and you've got shell everywhere. Too little and nothing happens. The robot found the exact pressure in between. It has folded shirts, soft, shifting fabric, the kind of task engineers used to call nearly impossible for a machine. It has stirred a pot on a live stovetop, opened and closed a microwave, vacuumed, swept, wiped down tables, picked up trash, sorted objects by color. It opened cabinets, it pulled curtains closed, and it did not need a different machine for each job. One robot, one pair of hands, the whole list. In fact, Tesla says this single hand system can support more than 3,000 different trained tasks. 3,000. That is not a robot built for one chore. That is a robot built for all of them. And here's the part that should stop you cold. Since July 2025, an Optimus has been working actual shifts at the Tesla diner in Hollywood. Not a lab, a real restaurant, full of real customers, running 7 days a week. It started by serving popcorn. By this year, it had been promoted to a real food runner role, carrying meals out to cars parked at the chargers, on its own. And as recently as June, Tesla confirmed it was back on shift with its own tie-in menu item. Unscripted, in public, for almost a year. That is not a demo, that is a job. Now you've probably seen the clips racing across YouTube and TikTok, titles screaming that a Tesla robot cooked dinner and cleaned an entire house in 2 hours. We're going to be straight with you about exactly what's confirmed and what isn't, because that honesty is the whole point of this channel. We'll come right back to it, but first you need to understand why this suddenly became possible at all. And the reason is a genuine engineering leap. For years, the thing holding humanoid robots back wasn't the legs, and it wasn't the brain, it was the hands. So Tesla rebuilt them from scratch. The Gen 3 hand now has 22 degrees of freedom, double the 11 on the version before it, 50 actuators in total across the hands and forearms. And here's the clever part. Tesla pulled the heavy motors out of the palm and moved them up into the forearm, driving the fingers with tendons. In your own arm, pull your fingers from a distance. That freed up room for fingertip sensors that let the robot feel how hard it's gripping in real time. That sensing layer is the reason it can crack an egg and fold a shirt with the very same hands. Confirmed production ready as of February 17th, 2026. And here's the number that tells the whole story. In just 2 years, that hand went from about 12 actuators to 50, from 11 degrees of freedom to 22. Engineers are calling it the fastest jump from a solved hand to a real factory in the history of robotics. Then there's how it learns. The part we promised you in the beginning. Optimus isn't hand-coded for each chore. It watches. A person performs a task on video, and the robot studies every frame, how the wrist turns, how the weight shifts, and reproduces it. Behind it sits Tesla's AI5 chip and a Grok-powered reasoning stack. It's the same playbook Tesla used for self-driving cars. Flood the system with real-world video, train at massive scale, and let the network work out the rules. And here's the kicker. Every hour any Optimus works, anywhere on Earth, that data retrains the entire global fleet. Every robot makes every other robot smarter. Musk calls it the flywheel. So what is this actually worth to you? Because this is where it gets real. A housekeeper in the United States runs about $21 an hour, roughly $42,000 a year for full-time help. A live-in is closer to $55,000. And that's just the cleaning. Now here's Tesla's number. Spread the purchase price across the robot's life, add electricity and maintenance, and Optimus is projected to cost around $2 an hour to run. $2 against 21. One independent analysis pushed the figure even lower and put the payback period at roughly 3 months. Then Morgan Stanley ran their own math. They found a $50,000 humanoid could save a household or a business more than $500,000 over 20 years. Compared to paying a person, crazy numbers. And here's the trajectory you should hold on to. $50,000? $30,000? Tesla is targeting a price between $20,000 and $30,000 at scale, about the cost of a mid-range car. And Tesla isn't the only one betting everything on this. When the company 1X opened pre-orders for its home robot, the Neo, it sold its entire first year of production, 10,000 units, in 5 days. 5 days. When that many well-funded companies are racing to put a robot in your house, the question stops being if, it becomes how soon. Now picture the family caring for an aging parent right now, caught between a facility they can't afford and help they can't keep up. A machine that works around the clock, never calls in sick, never burns out, for the cost of running a few appliances. For millions of households, that isn't a luxury. That's the difference between keeping someone home and giving up. And we still haven't reached the most honest part of this whole story. Exactly what Tesla has and hasn't proven on camera. Stick with me, because that's where this earns your trust. If you want the real engineering behind these moves, not the hype, the actual breakdown, subscribe. We do this every single week. Okay, the honest part, here it is. Tesla has not yet released one single continuous video of a Gen 3 robot cleaning an entire house, running a full load of laundry, and cooking a complete meal, back-to-back, in a normal home. The viral 2-hour clips stitch separate skills together, and some of those household demos were filmed during the guided training stage, where a specialist helps walk the robot through the motion first. But, and this matters, every individual piece in that title already exists on camera. The laundry, the eggs, the cleaning, the cooking. What's left isn't invention, it's stitching them into one unbroken routine. A few skeptics, including respected robotics veterans, warn that messy, real homes, pets, clutter, toys on the floor, are a harder problem than any tidy factory. That's a fair point, but it's a reliability gap, not a science gap. And reliability gaps close fast once you're building at the scale Tesla now is. So imagine this. It's a weeknight in 2027. You just walked in the door exhausted. There's a basket of laundry by the couch and a sink full of dishes from this morning. You don't sigh. You don't even slow down. You just say, handle the kitchen and the laundry, and you go sit down. And it does. It loads the dishwasher, wipes the counters, and folds every shirt the way you like them, stacked neat on the dresser. Meanwhile, dinner is already going, because it watched you make your favorite meal once. And now it simply knows. No arguing, no burnout, no bill at the end of the month. Your evenings, the ones you've been trading away to chores your whole adult life, quietly handed back to you. That is not a concept video. The hands exist, the learning works, the factory is running right now. Tesla tore out 14 years of Model S production and 11 years of Model X to make room for this. More than $20 billion committed this year alone. A factory in Texas being built to turn out 1 million of these a year. Tesla's own SEC filings target the start of production before the end of this year. When a company moves like that, they are not betting on a gimmick. So here's what we want to know. If a robot could take every chore off your plate, for good, what is the absolute most you would pay to put one in your home? 20,000? 30? More? Drop your number in the comments. We read every one. And if this opened your eyes, wait until you see the rival robot that's already shipping to American homes before Tesla's. The one almost nobody is talking about. That breakdown is coming next, and I'll see you in the next one.